You are what?
I'm having low BP.
You are having
Low BP.
You are having OPP.
Low BP. Low.
You are having what?
Low BP.
Low BP.
Yes.
Are you with your husband?
No, I've not married.
You are not married.
Yes.
Who is giving you high BP that turns to low BP?
I don't know.
Eh?
I don't know.
Because I know marriage BP and high blood pressure and low BP.
Exactly, sir.
You know, in marriage, there's a BP.
Exactly.
Suddenly, they go to
Low
BP.
Exactly, sir.
So who is giving you BP?
I don't know.
Eh?
I don't know.
How old are you?
19 years.
90 years.
Yes.
You are having what?
Low BP.
Generation ain't change.
Go. Just fall apart.
You know, the devil way they come out in this generation is like a new modern demons.
Exactly.
A digital world.
Exactly, sir.
And was a digital demonic spirit.
Exactly, sir.
And they are creating digital sicknesses.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.